Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to step by step create a filter baby trend in CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then just start a new project and then just add black background like this. You can take it from the CapCut library. And then next, just import your photos, couple photos like this, and then just make it as an overlay. Position it as you like, for example like this. And then just adjust the opacity of the both photo. Just go to opacity and then adjust it about 50 until 70 depending which looks best. Like this. And then just set the durations of both photos to 4 seconds. Like this. And then just add keyframes at the end. Like this. And then add keyframes at the beginning too. And then move the photo off screen to the side. This will create the sliding refill when the clips play. And then just repeat for the other photos so they slide into each other like this. And then part 2 is make baby face effect. Just duplicate the photo like this and don't forget to increase the opacity. And then just position the photo like this. For example like this, and then just select the photo and then just go to effect and then styles, and then just go to face swap and then just use baby face, and then just do the same for the another photo. Go to styles and then just add animations, choose in and then choose fade in. And then just go to effect and then just search for collision spark. This one. And then just place it where the photos meet to highlight the refill. And okay, your video will look like this. Okay, like this. Next, you can do the more edits, like add a little color grade or contrast, and then maybe add a sound effect and many more. Just feel free to tweak or edit your video more creative. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.